Hey, what's up guys, it's Luca's dad. This video is a tutorial on how to paint Hot Wheels turn signals. This effect can make your car look a lot more realistic from the side profile, especially if you slap on a pair of real riders to go with it. First step is to paint your turn signal with Tester Matte White. Definitely use a brush when applying this. Go nice and slow. The matte white acts as a primer for your finish color. If you don't prime this area with paint, your finish color is probably not going to show up on most painted die casts. If the area is primed, we can use our Tester turn signal yellow-orange to add some realism to this BMW. I hope you guys use this basic technique on your cars. Feel free to send some links to your channels. Leave any questions and comments in the description column below. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see what these cars look like with their turn signals painted and real riders on them. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe if you haven't already. Here's a shot of our 2002 Beamer with turn signal and real rider detail. What do you guys think? Leave comments below. And here's our 81 Camaro with painted turn signals and new wheels. Thanks again to the guys from Toy Cars and Other Stuff. There's a link in the description below for their channel, so check them out. And make sure you subscribe to check out our upcoming headlight and taillight detail videos. Click these links to view our playlists and other videos. Thanks again guys for watching.